So today I'm going to show how actually I fill my eyebrows. For this you need eyebrow pencil, a spoolie. Instead of spoolie you can use the empty mascara wand also, a brush, a foundation stick, or you can use a contour palette also. So before that you need to just brush out your eyebrows to know the shape, actual shape of your eyebrow. And after that take the eyebrow pencil. Make sure the pencil is not too sharp. Blunt pencil will work better. Start from the point where I'm showing. Don't start lining your or filling your eyebrows exactly from starting point. Do it from the middle part and drag it outside. Do a light feathery strokes for a natural finish. Just tilt your head front and back so that you'll come to know so that you're not overlining your eyebrows. Just mimic your hair lines of your eyebrows, how in the same direction of the hair growth, so that you don't ruin your original shape. After that brush with the same spoolie or instead use a mascara wand. Yeah, after filling the eyebrows, you need to take the contour palette or the eyeshadow palette, whatever you say. Take the lighter shade in it. From the palette, take the lighter shade and line under the eyebrows. By doing this, what happens is it actually gives a clean finish. You can even color correct also if you have done very dramatic filling of your eyebrows. You can correct using this lighter shade. It actually gives you the finish of the eyebrows when you thread it. The way it looks actually like when you thread the eyebrows, the same look appears here. So I do this trick in my everyday routine. Whenever I go out or get ready, I'll do this. I don't miss this because it actually boosts your, what do you say, confidence level. So from here you can see the difference between my both the eyebrows from the left and right one. And I'm going to do the other eyebrow also. So before doing the eyebrows, make sure that you have tweezed the extras of your eyebrows so that it gives a smooth finish whenever you fill the eyebrows. So I have given the link in the description box below so that how you tweeze your hair, eyebrow hair, or how you do your eyebrows in your home. Please do check the link in the description box and watch the video completely. And if you're new, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and comment below because the positive comments encourage me to do like this work. Yeah, thank you. So soon I'll be showing the filling of the left eyebrow also. The same thing what I did on right side, I'll be doing on my left eyebrow. So this is the way I fill my eyebrows. If you felt this video useful, then please do like, share and comment. That's it.